Once we had figured out Leon, I think the next step that we were trying to figure out is at the end of episode 6, we see Violet departs. Leon is, I think, kind of shouting after her something like, I want to see you again, or I hope we cross paths again. Up to that point, he'd been living in the observatory, and so we came up with this idea that Leon wanted to go on a journey, but he was having trouble making up his mind. So he writes Violet a letter, and that's actually where we started off, is writing the letter from Leon to Violet. And then from there, it was just a matter of figuring out, well, what would Violet say in response to this, writing that down as a letter, and ultimately that became the voiceover and the story script for the video. The only other part of the script that we had to put together was the the star scene. So we actually wrote dialogue that we could act to so that it would be easier to splice together. The script for that was a compilation of, I think they're shown in two parts. Like, one is the first night she arrives, and then there's the night where they're actually watching the comet. And so the dialogue that we were acting out, even if you don't hear it in the video, was kind of a mishmash of both of those.